Hi, I'm Jordan. I am a nurse practitioner here at North Texas Plastic Surgery, and I am the Artas expert in the Southlake location. I went to Texas Tech University for my bachelor's degree in nursing, so I'm a Red Raider. And then I went on to work in the cardiac ICU, where I worked for 8 years. During that time, I decided to go back to school to be a nurse practitioner, so I went to the University of Texas at Arlington and graduated with my nurse practitioner degree. Artas is a really exciting technology. It brings a lot into the hair transplant world, and it's kind of the latest and greatest, and we're really excited about having it here at North Texas Plastic Surgery. Men have kind of been at this standstill in the aesthetics world where there wasn't really a ton for them. It wasn't really marketed towards them at all. And now in the past 5 years, men are kind of booming in and hair is booming. And so it's really exciting to be in an industry where we can cater towards men and we have so much to offer them. If you've noticed hair loss or have been considering hair restoration, I would love to get you in for a consult to answer more questions and talk with you. A way that you can do that is to call our office and we'll get you in for a consult with me. Or another great resource is to follow my social media, where we answer questions and it gives you more of an insight into the Artas world. You can even send messages and ask questions, and then we'll address those.